Hi everyone, Olive here, and for today's video, let's do love and career for the first week to second week ng July para sa Scorpios. So if you have Venus at Scorpio, this video might be for you. Tingnan natin kung ano ang blessings and guidance for you, Scorpio. Scorpio. But before we proceed, I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng followers, subscribers ng aking mga social media accounts. For those naman na gustong mag-avail ng free guidance or reading, please check my TikTok account. I'm more active here, pero ang mga zodiac sign readings and exclusive love readings ay naka-upload or i-upload po dito. Thank you so much. Two of Wands. Ikaw ba ay nasa energy ng pagmamadali? May inaabangan kang dumating, confirmation, travel, kumbaga nasa waiting period ang karamihan sa Scorpio. Three of Pentacles. For some of you, related to sa career mo, sa finances. Hindi naman siya delay, pero initest dito yung pasensya mo. Pero may nakikita akong good news here. For some of you naman, planning na mag-aral ulit or nag-aaral. And hoping for a good news. What else? Para sa iyong first to second week of July, we got Three of Cups. So this is a celebration card or celebratory card. So if you are waiting for a confirmation or a miracle or a sign na makukuha mo itong especially if you are nag-aaral or someone na may undergo ng training related sa business, sa career, there is a celebratory energy here. Maring yung kung ano man yung hinihintay mo from previous month, magsasucceed na siya. Ten of Swords. Five of Wands. The Strength card. Nine of Cups. Six of Wands. And Six of Cups. Dalawang six. So yeah, this is a reading for Scorpio placements. Let's start. Bukod sa mga nabanggit ko kanina mga celebrations na maaring maganap related na nag-highlight sa iyong career or kung ikaw man ay estudyante or may masteral, kung ano man pinag-aaralan mo, merong celebration na outcome dito or celebratory outcome dito. Pero meron din ako nakikita despite sa emotional fulfillment na binibigay sa iyo ng partner mo, ng universe, you feel like dissatisfied. Parang maybe we should also practice gratitude and satisfaction. Kasi baka sa sobrang hardworking na natin or sa sobrang gusto natin ma-reach yung mga bagay-bagay agad-agad, hindi na natin napapansin yung mga na-reach nating accomplishments. For some of you here, meron kang person from the past na namimiss, like sobrang namimiss, or you are or it's vice versa, meron person dito na nakakamiss sa'yo. If you're connected with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or may nakakonect kang fire sign, pwedeng namimiss mo tong taong ito, or vice versa, and you are parang nilulook up mo siya. And for some naman, For some naman here, nakikita ko dito when it comes sa love naman, medyo walang communication na nangyayari regarding sa'yo at sa person mo. Maring dumaraan kayo or nagdaraan kayo sa isang conflict at nagiging dahilan ng blockages or mabagal na resolution. Maring magkaroon ng pagbagal ng resolution sa conflict na ito dahil sa hindi masyadong consistent or walang initiation of proper and mature conversation. For some of you here naman, meron ako nakikitang bravery, taking risk of something towards your emotion na maglilid sa'yo ng mas lalalim na, sabihin na natin, pagka-miss mo sa taong ito. Or you are avoiding communication here para mailabas mo yung totoo mong nararamdaman sa isang person na to. For some of you here, there is a career here na related na energy. Maring makamit ka ng isang coach or isang person na pwedeng i-look up mo to help you na magkaroon pa ng more success when it comes to your career. It's important to really somehow listen to that person and gather informations, ideas regarding sa inaaral mong path. Regardless kung mas bata or mas mature sa sa'yo. And for some of you here naman, especially if, I don't know, if mag-resonate sa'yo to, just comment below. If you're into pageants, andito yung you are very poised tingnan. Very self-sufficient, emotionally, sabihin na natin, fulfilled. Pero meron ditong, you're not comfortable kung nasa ka ngayon. Maaring before nag-resonate sa'yo yan, or may position ka, or nasa position ka na before, very, mo siya, pinangarap mo siya, or minamanifest mo siya ngayon. Pero right now, nagkakaroon ka na ng pagdadalawang isip dito. It's better to reflect kung bakit mo yan nararamdaman. Is it because pressure? Or iba na ang gusto mong, or iba na ang vision mo when it comes to your future? So, it's time for you to reflect and don't forget to feel grateful despite all of this pressure and confusion, and always use your discernment when it comes to pagpaplano. So this is your reading, Scorpio. I hope mag-resonate sa'yo to, and see you, and thank you.